Hello, welcome to Let's Install Linux. In today's video, we are going to be installing MX Linux with a KDE Plasma desktop environment. Let's go get that. Open a browser and go to mxlinux.org, and then we'll go to download. And you're more than welcome to read about all this stuff if you want, but we're just going to go here and download this. We're going to download the KDE MX25 KDE X64. Click download, and then it'll download here in a moment. And I've already done this for time's sake, but you just hit save, and it'll take a few minutes because it is a rather large download. And next we'll go get the Raspberry Pi imager at raspberrypi.com/software. And we'll scroll down and download for Linux. You can download for whatever your machine is. I've already downloaded it for time's sake. Just click save. And now we're done with that. We have our image and our imager. Let's go to the start menu and open up imager and put in our password. And then here you're going to want an 8 gigabyte or larger USB to install this. So you'll come to this screen after opening imager and go down to the bottom and select no filtering. Next, and then again scroll all the way to the bottom, use custom, and we'll go to downloads, and there's our MX Linux image. Select it, open, and next, and then scroll down until you find your USB and select it, and then click next, and then verify that you have the correct image and the correct USB drive, and then click right, and then it's going to warn you one last time, and just click I understand, erase and write. And I've already done this for time's sake because it takes about 15 minutes to write the image. Once it's finished, just click finish and it'll close. And then if you're installing this on a separate machine, you're going to want to eject the device or safely remove it. But we're going to be installing this on this machine. So go ahead and do a restart. And restart now. And now we'll get ready to press the boot selection button, which is mine's F12. Yours could be a number of different buttons. But just press that until you get to the boot selection so we can select our USB. Takes it a moment. There it is. And we're back to that damn green screen. And we will select our USB memory. Okay. And now we'll just go ahead and select the KDE system D1 and hit enter. And now we just wait for it to boot. This is going to be running in a live installer, so it's going to take it a moment to start up. There it goes. There it is. And nice. It started up. Looks like a really nice installer here. You're more than welcome to go through all this stuff if you want, or you can just follow me and go install MX Linux. And okay, it has a It's checking installation media. Nice little bit of information over here. What's this? Oh, this just tells you what it's actually doing. That's nice to know. And I guess you don't have to do this check. You can press escape to exit. All right, we'll let it go ahead and do its thing. I know the media is good. It's a very solid USB that I use for doing this. And we're just about there. Looks like no problems. Let's check that live log. And no problems. And just a few more. Just about there, and we can get on with the installation. There we are. All right. And yep, it's based on Debian stable, which is good. Just a little different than that. So we'll just click next. And we will just do a regular install using the entire disk. And if you're like me and you have very many different drives and you're not sure if that's the actual drive that you want, you can go to the start menu. Let's type in console, open that up, and lsblk, and then enter. And now you can see all your drives and what partitions and stuff are done to it. And it looks like the correct drive is SDA A1. So we'll select SDA. Okay, exit and select SDA. Okay, and then next. And it's gonna just make sure that that's what you want to actually do. And go ahead and click start. And now it's formatting the drive. So this is a little different. Instead of inputting all the information first, guess it's gonna ask us that in a minute. So, and I do like how they have the information over here to help you out with what's going on and what it's doing. And if you want to see exactly what it's doing, you can look at the live log. That's really nice to have. So, pretty impressed with this so far. Not too difficult. And just about done with this section. And now we'll click next. And let's go MX Linux, just so we know for sure. And just leave that alone. We'll leave that alone. And we'll just click next. And then make sure that's all correct. We're in the mountains, so that's not going to work. Let's go to, Boise will work. Or whatever your time zone is. Go ahead and select that. Select however you want the clock to look and not. Extra advanced services. Just to make sure that you got everything you kind of want. And this just has everything selected, which is okay, because the more the merrier. And once you're okay with that, click next. And now we'll create a MX Linux user. And of course, updates are available. I'm not even done installing yet. Password. Enter a nice lengthy password. We're welcome to use a root account if you want. And I don't suggest doing this, but I'm going to auto log in on it. So it's just a little quicker. And once you're done with that, click next. And now it's installing the last little bits of stuff. And again, telling you more information about what it's actually doing. And just a look at what it's done. That is pretty nice. Okay, and now we'll click finish. It's rebooting. Now we'll get ready to pull the USB out once it's gets back to the boot area. Right about now. And push the boot selection button again until you get back into the boot selection. And we should be booting in there. There we are. And we'll go ahead and select the MX Linux drive. Hit enter. And let it boot in. There it is. Not too bad, a little different. I don't like the fact that you have to push the boot selection, but you might not have to if you just have that one drive. But since I have multiple operating systems and multiple drives, it makes it a little more difficult. But that was quick. That was a very quick install right onto the desktop. User's manual, wikis, some tools of its own, which you can go through and look at all this stuff if you want. Very nice. Okay, we'll just close that. It's the tweak panel. Just their own little things. Okay. So we can deal with this stuff in the settings menu. And nothing else I really want to do here, so I'll close that. And let's go see if we're updated here. System maybe? Yeah, discover right there. Nice. And we will go to updates. And update everything before we go and check on the drivers. And we'll just go ahead and update everything. Put in our password. Do that a lot in Linux, I noticed. We'll let it update. Looks like a fairly good size update here. Might take it a moment to get all the updates done. Wonder if we should be able to click on that and see what's going on. Nope. Just that it's doing what it's saying it's doing. We can see that through here. A lot of freaking updates there. Okay. But it's always good to, after you install, go ahead and update the system. Make sure it's completely updated before we go installing softwares and checking on drivers and Bluetooth devices and all that. Make sure everything's up to date first. And it's just about finished up here. It's doing the last little bits. Looks like it's kind of stuck, huh? Tons of updating things. Come on now. Okay, it is actually installing things. Very, very slowly, but it's doing it. There's just a lot to do. And let it finish. See if we can. Let's see. We have Brave browser here. Just kind of look. No. Okay. What about some Steam? And it does have a Steam installer right there. Let's see if it's the. Yeah, it's for the Debian version. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Let's go back to our updates here. Let them finish. Jeez. Almost seems like it's stuck here. Anything I can. No, I can't really do anything. It says it's installing something. Almost seems like it's stuck here, doesn't it? Hmm. Well, that's not a good sign. Oh, there it goes. Right when I say that, and then it starts going. Finish up there, buddy. And yeah, you can always contribute to their to the help them. And done, up to date. So I'll get that Steam going. And install. And that looks like it's going pretty fast here. Okay, and we'll launch it. And it's okay. Yeah, just it's saying it's a proprietary thing. That's fine. That's okay. We want it anyways. It's a great program. Let's go to. Oh, I gotta go to the search bar, brave.com. And get Brave because Firefox sucks. I don't like it. And we got it copied. Let's go back to console. Right, there it is. And Control Shift V to paste it in. And then I'll hit enter. Put in our password. enter again, and then now Brave will be installed. And it shouldn't take that long. It's almost done, as you can see. And just about finished. And done. Okay, now we have Brave browser. Close that. I can close that. And Steam launching. There's Steam. Okay, now we can log in, or you can create an account with Steam. So let's go ahead and log in here. And sign in. And there it goes. And yep, we'll confuse Steam statistics. Sure. I'm not going to view the results. Let's go to library, show you that these are all the games that work on Steam or on Linux. But for now, we have nothing installed in here. And I gotta go Steam. Oh, wait. We gotta mount that first, huh? Yep, didn't mount. Okay, so now we have our WinApps drive mounted. We can go to Steam, settings, and then storage, add a drive. And there it is, WinApps, add. Then we go back here and select it, WinApps. And then we want to make it default. And close. And we'll go add a game and add a non-Steam game and browse. And we'll go WinApps and program files, Rockstar, and the launcher. There it is. And then select the launcher exe. And I'll select open and add. And then go to the launcher exe. And go to manage and properties. And then over to compatibility and force. And select hotfix. Select hotfix. And now we can run it. And if you want to learn how to install this stuff, check out my video of how to install Windows apps on Linux, which will be pinned in the description down below. And we'll go play, and it'll download the Steam runtime and the hotfix. So it'll take just a few moments. And while it's doing that, let's open up the Brave browser. And we'll set it as that and go dark. Sure, fine, have my data because it's not going to matter. And then you can just use Brave for anything. So go /@ let's install Linux. Hey, there's my channel. Right on. And the reason I use Brave browser is just because it is so nice. It's a very, very nice operating system. Or browser, web browser. And we'll exit out of that. No, this is almost finished. I thought it was finished, sorry. There we go. Hotfix is almost done. And then it'll launch into Rockstar's game launcher. And then we can, and then I'll see about playing a game, see if it works or not. Sure. Oh, we got to get a controller paired here first. So we'll let this start up and then we'll pair a controller. Connecting. There it is. Accept. And then we'll go. Put in our beautiful, complicated password. And sign in. And okay. And accept. And it found our Red Dead Redemption install. So that'll be playable. But first we need to go here to our settings. And just to show you, it's looking like everything's working properly, and it is. It's picking up all the hardware really nicely. Okay, so that's a good sign. Let's go up here to Bluetooth and turn on and put our Xbox controller into pair mode. And then pair device. There it is right there. And next. And looks like it's getting ready to do it. Uh-oh. Might have a little small issue maybe. Are you going to connect? And it failed the first time. So when it does this, just close. Forget about it. Forget the device. Pop it back into pair mode, the controller, and then go back here and try it again. And it does not want to connect tonight. There it goes. Now it's connected. All right. So it looks like all the drivers and everything are working just fine. And I'm just curious about something. So we know we have Red Dead Redemption, and I have some other install of games on one of these. And I'll just go ahead and grab them all, exit out of there, go to settings, and we'll go here and we'll go scan again. And I'm back there. And it found my Grand Theft Auto and the Red Dead Redemption 2 installs. Right on. Okay, looks all good. Let's play some Red Dead Redemption 2, see how it works. We'll push play. Oh. And it has to do that thing. Okay. And play. Maybe. You're going to let us do this? Do it this time? Nice. So, yeah, there you go. That's for working. And is it going to launch? Looks like it will. Awesome. We got Red Dead Redemption launching. And no, you cannot play online because it's Linux. It will just boot you off the online version. You can play the offline version, just a normal story. Works just fine. With all the fancy ray tracing and at 4K and all that, works beautifully. I can't do that right now because of the fact that I'm using a crappy capture card, but it does actually work. All those things work in it really well. But since I'm using a capture card, it's downgraded it to like 1080 or something like that, and no ray tracing or any of that stuff. Just, but it still looks good. But once I start making money on the channel, then I'll buy a new, better capture card. All right. And we're going. Where are we? There's my horse. Okay. Okay. It really did start from there, huh? So I killed some KKK members over here the other day.
Yep.
Or was it? Oh, it was like right here. Maybe they were right over here. Yeah, they were. They were right here.
Easy.
And they are not there anymore. Just some flowers where they used to be. Right. But as you can see, it's working rather well.
Hey there, partner.
Hey, partner.
Don't run into many folks out this way.
Oh, yeah?
And just my luck, it's an idiot like you.
Oh, there we go. Nice.
Easy now.
What the hell was that? Oh, a rat. Never seen one of those. Hey, American muskrat. Right on. And I was just showing you that everything's working pretty well. Animations all work and stuff. Wow, I don't have any food for him. That's not good.
Let's get you looking nice.
Give you a good brush in there.
It'll take more than that, boy.
I gotta get some more food. I'm out of food for my horse. Yeah, I've been playing a lot of Red Dead Redemption 1, so the buttons are a little different. What a hawk? I don't know.
Yep.
I don't like the way the fucking buttons are on this.
Yeah.
Never have. Like, it's nice that it's a little more cleaner graphics and stuff, but they should have kept the wheel well and all that stuff same as the first one. Because I hate it when he does this right here. When you're hunting, and then he goes, puts his gun away. And of course, he's not going to do it right now.
Yeah. Slow it up.
Turkeys.
Slow up now.
Where are those wolves? Let's see if we got the sniper out. Actually, fuck, I can't do that here right now. Or else it'll count against my
Yep.
game. Never mind, sorry. Can't kill people like that. Those are innocents.
That's polite.
And yeah, let's get back to a good saving area. So I'm not just in the middle of the crowd here.
Whoa. Easy.
Oh, hey there.
Yeah.
Ah, it's so fun. Just going for it. See, where are we at here? Let's make sure. Jose. Yeah, I don't want to go there. And if I go back to my camp, I'm going to have to talk to somebody. So we will just go find a flat piece of ground and camp out here for a minute. Looks beautiful.
Easy now.
Scare everything off. And build a camp. That's okay. So there you go. Rockstar's Games launcher is working and playing the games that you already purchased on there if you want that. However, if you're like me, you can have it on here too and purchase it through Steam. Then that way you can take it with you with your Steam account and on any computer basically. And you just have to reinstall it and stuff. But or you can have it on a external drive. Because if I was just to mount the games, then all these would show up. But yeah, so if you go back here and you mount the rest of those drives and the storage, add drive, and add, and go back to here, add the drive, add, and add another drive, and add the last one, add, and add. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay. And now, as you can see, there what's installed here, and everything is installed. But as far as Windows apps goes, you have to reinstall them almost on every single system, or set up the drive so you can just do it like that. So you can just pop in the launcher real quick instead of having to install that every single time. But yeah, we're done here. Updating. Alright, finish your dang update. Alright, now that you're not doing nothing, we can exit out of Steam. Because that's all working nicely. And let's see, it's good as Dolphin. Go to network, shared folders. See if it picks up any other ones. It's announcing itself. Let's go to our local computer here. And that's a good sign. Put in a beautiful password there. Uh-oh. I must have put in something wrong. Ah, there it is. Okay. And like even things like this work, extract ISO. So I use this program for extracting Xbox games or compressing Xbox games or extracting them out of the ISO. So I'll give you a demonstration of that. Where do I have it? I think I have it in games, Xbox, and where's my games here? Where are they? There's my games. So like use this program to make like this game into something like this. I did it with Ninja Gaiden Black. I can't remember where I put that. Oh, there it is, right there. So just kind of give you an idea. Go back to Steam. And I'll go back to library. All the way to the bottom. Nothing there. So go add a game. Add an on Steam game. Browse. And I'll go to games, Xbox, and XEMU. Because this one's already set up. And yeah, you need a lot of different files to make it run correctly. And there's that. Go to manage, properties, compatibility, force, hotfix. Make sure it's selected, hotfix, and exit. And just see if it runs correctly. Okay, and it doesn't like it. So it didn't find any of this stuff, but it's right here. Computer. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's not PS4. It's not in there. So we'll go here. Media. MX Linux. Games. Xbox. And oh shoot, what do we boot ROM? So we need this, open that. What was that? The flash ROM? Yep, BIOS. So back to here, media, MX Linux, games, Xbox, BIOS. We'll go with the normal one. It works just fine. And then our hard disk. And again, back to here, media, MX Linux, games, Xbox, and our hard disk. And if you want to know how to get a hold of these files and folders, there's plenty of tutorials and stuff on how to do that. I'm not going to show you how to get them, but essentially you need your own Xbox to get them, and then you can get them. So let's give that a restart. And we got our controller connected. It recognized it. Looks like it's booting up just fine. Huh? Okay, that's interesting. So it doesn't like to do that. I'll go load, and I'll go here, media, Linux, games, Xbox, and games, and my favorite game in the whole world. Love that game, Need for Speed Underground. Can't play it on here because of the music, but I can show you a little bit of Scarface. The world is yours. Very cool game. Didn't find it till just recently and purchased it, and I love it. I like it. Let's just see if it goes full screen. Full screen's working.
Me, I want what's coming to me.
Oh, well, what's coming to you, Tommy?
The world, Chico. And everything in it.
That's such a great movie. I have purchased that movie, I think 6 or 7 different times on all different formats. I had a Betamax of this when I was a little kid. Such a cool movie. I say watch the movie, then play the game. Alright, let's get on with it. Just to kind of show you controllers working and all that. Oh, sweet. I gotta be careful because of the music stuff. Ah, there we go. That is Scarface. The world is yours. Options. Turn the music off. Okay. And yeah, you go around, you sell drugs, take over
Tony,
things.
I missed you so much.
Oh, look at that. How do you talk to chicks again?
Oh, I can't believe this place, man. I get everything back And do it right this time. Assholes, they make me crazy. It's been a while. We should get together.
Hey, baby, how are you?
We should get together, you know?
Hey there, my Montana man.
Hello?
Be nice to have
Looking
this game
good,
redone
Tony.
because it is a little janky. But I mean, it's early technology, so cool as hell though. Oh, I can't remember the dang buttons.
This is my town.
Yo, you
Take the
want a
bus.
piece of me? Oh, fuck. It's gonna take a week.
Alpha Bravo, Niner Niner. Stay within Unit 12. Suspect in
And
Venta
it has one amazing soundtrack. So, oh, there. Hey, we can go sell some drugs just to kind of show you. You find these little white dots. This is it's so cool.
Got some of that special shit for you, Tony. My man.
I got the yayo. Fuck you, man.
Damn it.
Get your nasty skid
Haven't done
mark
it for a minute.
skanky ass out of my sight.
Yeah, that's right. I'm doing this for my baby. Fuck off! You immigration motherfucker, I got your bitch.
Hey, what the fuck is your
Bullshit!
problem?
I'ma get your phone for Christmas, motherfucker!
Nice.
Oh shit, man. That shit was fucking close.
Why the hell can't everybody just get along?
Yo, stop that shit right now.
Oh, I got some extra coke. Guess I can't shoot innocent people.
officer. All units respond immediately.
Oh. All right. So it doesn't quite like to run very long with the MX Linux. I didn't have that. I don't have that kind of drop issue on Debian, so that's a new thing for me. But yeah, there you go. That is MX Linux. Oh, I was gonna show you how to do that on here. So go to Add Game, Add Non-Steam Game, Browse, and we'll go up. You're gonna need to find this program. Oh, where the hell is it? Oh, Xbox. Where is it? Oh, it was in here. Maybe it is in WinApps. Xbox OG. No. Nope, it's not in there either. Games. Yeah, right there it is. And there it is. And then with the GUI, the XISO GUI. So I want that. And you just have to look up extract XISO. It's I don't know if you can download it anymore nowadays. We'll go here, add it into here. And it might be under extract. So there it is. And go here, manage, and properties, compatibility, and we'll force it at the hotfix. Make sure hotfix is selected. Exit. And launch it. we'll go ahead and create. And we are going to want to go to a different place than this. Just like that. And media. MX Linux. No, wait, no. Games. Slider down. Xbox. And games. And then we'll do RoboCop. How about that? RoboCop. Okay, so select. And in destination, I'm going to select the same place. So media, MX Linux, games, over Xbox, and we're going to just put it in here. We'll name that RoboCop, and then click save. And X creation is complete. Okay. And there we go. We're done with this. Let's go check it out and see if it actually worked. So we'll go back to XEMU. We'll play the machine. And we'll go eject disk. And then we'll go load. And we'll select root, media, MX, games, Xbox. There's our RoboCop that we just made. And open. And then machine and reset. And we're just testing this to see if it actually worked. Looks good, but I don't know if it actually worked. So it's looking all right. See how far we can get into the game before it closes again. I've never played RoboCop for that on the Xbox.
This is the police. Drop all your weapons.
Heck yeah.
Crime will not
Nice.
be tolerated. You have been warned.
Okay. And that's part of the emulation. Not everything is always going to work. Oh, we have something. Oh, okay. I don't care about options. Game. New game. Almost fine. Just want to see it. Oh, video games when you had to read things, huh? Drug scandal. Okay, so you can skip past it. Sorry.
Good evening, RoboCop. We've received a distress call from a store owner in the eastern sector of Neo Detroit. Two rival gangs are battling it out in the street. Get over there as soon as possible and take care of it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Be careful out there. Things are getting hot.
looks like it's missing an overlay there. Okay. Select the case and go kill him, I guess. Go arrest him. Yep, it's missing some overlaying, so that's gonna be it's kind of a bummer. But it's emulation. Emulation isn't perfect. If you want a perfect experience, have an Xbox. Oh crap! Yeah, no. Oh yeah, this is not good.
Emulation.
Backwards.
Look out! A shopkeeper's been taken hostage. Save him! Don't shoot! I give up!
I don't like the. I don't like the way that's
Please,
working.
dude! Don't kill me!
I hate the inverted shit. I can't do the inversion. Message continue. Oh, there's no. Maybe? Okay, no. Nope, nothing there. Continue. Yeah, okay. Anyways, that's how you turn Xbox files into games so you can play them, emulate them. And that is MX Linux. Pretty nice operating system. I could recommend this for first time users. It's a little difficult to install, but it works really well. Pretty fast on everything. And I don't mind the way it looks out of box. It looks really nice. I didn't have to mess with anything, so everything works pretty well. And we only had to go into the terminal once to install Brave, and that was really nothing. That was just a paste it, copy and paste, and enter. And nothing hard to do. Everything seemed to work very well. Yeah. So this could be used for new users. But that is MX Linux with the KDE Plasma Edition. Thank you for watching today's video until the end. You have a wonderful day, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All engagement does help this channel immensely. Thank you very much for doing it. I appreciate all of you.